Welcome back to the Ninja Food Show. My name's Amanda, and I'm a food tour guide here in Tokyo. I've been challenging my coworkers to cooking competitions where we make Japanese food into original recipes. In this episode, we're gonna make gyoza. Originating in China, Japanese gyoza have become a food staple here. Usually they're made with a combination of pork and vegetables wrapped in a thin dough. But today we're gonna make our own versions. Unfortunately, Giulia was sick this week, so she had to tap out. But I've asked our boss, Yuma, to fill in for her. So Nathan, Yuma, and I are going to face off. But first, I thought we might need a little practice. So I've brought back our friendly chef, Giulia-san, to give us a lesson in gyoza making.
コツとしてもこの時点でもうある程度形を作っちゃう。で、水つけなくてもできるんですけど、一応水。開いている口を上のやつを下にくっつけるような形で、こういう風に自分の手もこういう感じでいくとやりやすいです。セサミオイル or water, hot water. で音が今小さくなってきてパチパチしたらだいたいいい感じになってる。
Now it's time to take that knowledge and put it to work in the kitchen. Our judge Melissa will decide who has the best gyoza based on originality, taste, and presentation.
Hey, it's Melissa again, and today I am really excited to try everyone's take on gyoza.
Now let's check out the first gyoza recipe.
So it's my turn. My gyoza is the one with avocado and then also octopus. My gyoza theme is gonna be a combination of Japanese and Western theme. I really like the buttery texture of avocado and then the chewy texture of octopus. So the first step is to take the ground meat and then chop avocado and then octopus big enough so that you can enjoy the texture and compare the different textures. Add some salt, mix it up, and then wrap the meat with a gyoza wrapper. And then fry it with olive oil. So it was my first time to make gyoza with olive oil, so I kind of overdid it, but hope you enjoy it. Also, the important thing is a little bit of dipping sauce. So this is with mayonnaise and also soy sauce. Add a little bit of wasabi. It's very strong, so I want to just use a little bit, taste it, and then just dip.
Okay.
Crunchy, huh?
Is it supposed to be crunchy?
Yeah, gyoza is supposed to be crunchy.
Not this crunchy.
Oh.
There was a lot of salt. On both of these things, there was a lot of salt. I don't know that I feel each individual flavor as much as I just feel like I'm in the Dead Sea right now, bathing in salt. But it tastes kind of good because I'm salty and I like salt. So.
Do you need water?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right, so I made a shepherd's pie gyoza. I was really excited because it's kind of a comfort food for me, and I decided why not put it inside of a gyoza. Inside there's kind of a mixture of two different ingredients. First, I had to make mashed potatoes. I boiled the potatoes, then I had to mash them, and I added salt, pepper, parsley, and garlic, a lot of butter, and a little bit of milk. You know how to make fluffy mashed potatoes. So set that aside. Then I made a mixture for the ground beef. I added a lot of onions and chopped peas, carrots, and corn. Put that in first, then a little bit of the mashed potato on top. And then I folded my gyoza. And then I fried them in the pan.
They look weird. Sorry.
As it turns out, it's not that easy. I'm not sure how the ground beef and mashed potatoes are gonna fit inside, but we'll see.
But I will say that they don't look as crispy as Yuma's. which is keyword for burnt.
I didn't include a sauce with these gyoza because gyoza are pretty oily on their own, so they're flavorful enough, I think.
This looks like a puppy, and I'm gonna eat it now because
Okay.
I'm not sure what I'm tasting here. I'm tasting a lot of things, but I can't quite zero in on any one thing. And it's interesting. I will say it's definitely not as salty. I'm not having a heart attack as I eat it. I can't really taste the mashed potatoes, but I really feel the taste of the meat coming through. And it's nice. I enjoy it. Thank you.
Cool.
Your hard work paid off.
Yes!
You can do it.
Alright everybody, so here's my gyoza. This is an apple pie gyoza. So may not look as pretty as I planned them to look, but these should taste okay. I'm back from my devastating defeat last time. So this time I was thinking to go in the dessert direction with it. When I used to live in Aomori, I used to eat a lot of apples. So I figured apples might be good. So automatically I thought of an apple pie gyoza. So what I did first was I took an apple, chopped it all up, and then I put it on the frying pan, mixed it with some cinnamon, some butter, and some sugar. And then cooked that for about 5 minutes or so. Basically what I have to do after that is wrap them in the gyoza. Cook them again and I'm finished. A little bit more simple than everybody else's. And then on the side we have some cream cheese for dipping sauce. Cheese always makes everything better, I think.
I am excited because I just ate a lot of salt and this is decidedly not salty, I hope. I'll try one without cream cheese, or some without cream cheese and some with cream cheese. So I really don't like cinnamon, but this is amazing. It's like, it's not super sweet. It's, honestly, it was really good. Everybody should have some of this and you should write a cooking book and just put this one recipe in it. Yeah, wow. I'm shocked.
Okay, so here we've shown all 3 of our gyoza. Now it's time to figure out who did it best and who did it worst. So Melissa, what do you think?
I mean, yeah, Nathan's was the best. Like, there's no question about that. It was, apparently it was burnt, but actually it was so good that I didn't notice and I thought he did it on purpose. That's how good it was. As for Yuma and Amanda, well, thank you so much for all your extra hard work, I guess. While I can't say that I necessarily really liked one of them, Yuma's, yours was really not good. I'm sorry. It was like I was here eating some salt and I'm gonna dip it in more salt. And yeah.
So I thought I was gonna use wasabi, but in the fridge there's a yuzu pepper which is super spicy and salty that Melissa absolutely hated. They looked exactly the same.
All that's left is for Yuma to do his challenge.
So I'm in Inogashira Park in Kichijoji. It's a cherry blossom season, so you see a lot of cherry trees blooming. There are a lot of people drinking outside too. So Amanda gave this camera to me and I'm supposed to take photos and then give it to people. Let's go. That's it for this episode. I feel like I was really a popular guy. I got a lot of attention. If you like this episode, hit and subscribe us. The next episode is ramen. Man. My life is tough.